Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today we're going to know 7 reasons why you should be using coconut oil for your hair. Coconut oil is one of the most effective and widely used beauty products. It can be used for everything, from a facial moisturizer to a shaving cream, and the possibilities are endless. It also happens to work wonders for hair whether you're looking for a weekly conditioning treatment or need to revive over-processed and heat-damaged strands. Fatty acids like lauric acid and linoleic acid, in addition to vitamin E, are all present in coconut oil and are ingredients that help prevent hair's protein loss so that it has more strength and less breakage occurs. Coconut oil is 100% natural, which means it is free of drying alcohol, silicones, and other chemicals that usually do more harm than good, and is comparable, if not better, than highly formulated treatments. Unlike other hair oils that just coat strands and sits on the hair, coconut penetrates the hair shaft past the cuticle to truly repair and restore damage from the source. Here are 7 reasons why you should be using coconut oil for your hair. Number 1. Adding shine. Control flyaways and tame frizz by running your hands through your hair with a small amount of coconut oil. It will help smooth out strands without a greasy or oily finish. 2. Promote growth. When massaged into the scalp, coconut oil will improve blood circulation that supports hair growth. Using gentle pressure. Try this 3 to 4 times a week to help prevent hair loss too. 3. Conditioning. For a deep conditioning treatment without harsh chemicals, apply a generous amount of coconut oil for hair from roots to ends before bed. Then comb it and then tie into a loose bun and sleep with it overnight. 4. Dandruff control. Given its antimicrobial nature, coconut oil makes a good anti-dandruff treatment. Simply massage a small amount into the scalp and let it sit for 15 minutes before shampooing it out. 5. Split ends. If you're between haircuts and need a quick split end saver, applying coconut oil on your ends will help hydrate them and reduce the appearance of splits. 6. Detangling. For unruly manes, apply oil mid-shaft to ends on wet head post-showering and use it as a detangler that also doubles as a moisturizer for your locks. 7. Overall health. Now that you know how to use coconut oil for hair health, consistent use in your hair care regimen will promote healthy hair growth and add natural shine. That is reason enough to get on the coconut oil bandwagon.